Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. This video is another mystery unboxing. This is what happens when you order more than one item on the same day and you place bids on said items and you don't remember what it was. So we're going to find out together. I should call this series What TF Did I Order? That would be funny. Oh, I know what this is, y'all. Oh my goodness, the excitement on my face. Oh my goodness, y'all. Okay, so y'all know how I love the Hydrangea collection. And I was on a hunt for the Tasha Drawstring. And everybody wanted $1,000 for it. So they got to keep it. And Dooney&Bourke has not posted it yet. Not yet, should I say. They haven't brought it back because I missed out on it last year. But y'all, I finally found a Dooney&Bourke Tasha drawstring bag in the black hydrangea. I was a little skeptical because of the price, not really knowing if it was real or not, but so far it looks real. Let me make sure nothing else is in the box. It's not. Oh my goodness, the excitement. Oh, I might have to go get my other drawstring so I can do a side-by-side comparison to it, because it is different. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty, y'all. Oh, and the tags are in here too. It really was a true posting. Oh, look, y'all, black Tasha drawstring with the hydrangea code monogram. Oh my goodness. Seeing the picture, this is kind of what threw me off, because the leather around the top, it looked lighter. So I was like, is this a real Tasha? So far, it's looking real to me. There's the tag. Okay. And there's the tassels. Do I have this too close to the camera? That's a little bit better. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh, I've been wanting this purse since last year. It went on sale. I want to say it was on IOD for, well, maybe $100 or less. And I was like, oh, they'll be there for a while. Yeah, I went back and the purse was gone. And they had not brought it back since then. But I got one now. It still has Dooney&Bourke paper in it, so looks legit so far. Oh my goodness, y'all, this is new with tags. If I'm not mistaken, I think it was a guy that sold it. I can't quite remember. But the registration card is in there. Metal zipper pocket, slip pocket. Okay, that's something different. I don't think other Tashas have the slip pocket that goes all the way to the bottom like this. So that's a surprise. And that's on the back. On the front, the regular slip pocket and the smaller slip pocket. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm excited. I mean, to have wanted a purse for over a year and Dooney&Bourke did not put it back on the website. And they put the one that I got, the regular drawstring, they put that one on the website, but they did not put the Tasha back on there. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Look, y'all, can you see it? The beautiful braided handles on the braided ends on the strap. It looks so good. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is my favorite print. Is this Hydrangea in black. Hydrangea Monogram. I don't think I'm going to wait to carry her. I think I'm going to switch into her this week. Okay, I'm going to run and go get my other drawstrings just to do a side-by-side comparison. And I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I am back. So, I have my regular drawstring bag to do a side-by-side comparison to the Tasha. Probably best if I turn them this way. So, right away you can see that the regular drawstring is smaller, so it is shorter. The straps, of course, are different because you have the braided strap here on the Tasha, and then you have a detachable strap here on the regular drawstring. And then you have the DB charm, but you don't have a metal plate here in the front. And then on the Tasha, you do have the metal plate in the front. Is that on the shot good? Okay. And then the drawstrings are different because you have tassels there, and then just a regular drawstring here without tassels. So, although the pattern is the same, there are some big differences to it when it comes down to it. And I believe with all of the black hydrangeas or the hydrangeas all together, Monogram, that the placement of the flowers differ as well. And let's look at the bottoms to see the difference. Okay, so that's the difference that I didn't even realize. That the feet are pretty much the same, but on the regular drawstring there's the leather trim around the base of it, versus the Tasha, it doesn't have the trim around the base. Maybe that's better. So that's another difference. But all in all, I'm just happy I have the Tasha finally in the black Hydrangea Monogram. And I have not carried this one yet, y'all. And I don't know if you all recall that this purse started out 16 days of Dooney&Bourke in May. And I still haven't carried it. Maybe I knew deep down within that I was going to get the Tasha. So that's what I was waiting on. So, I'm not even sure if I'm going to keep this one, since I haven't used it. And I know that I would carry the Tasha over the regular drawstring. So I may sell this one, y'all. And I haven't sold any Dooney&Bourke purses, but I may let this one go and bring someone else joy. But that's it. That's the comparison of the Tasha drawstring bag compared to the regular drawstring bag. And on the inside, let's see. Okay, that's another difference. The inside, this one doesn't have any zippers. It just has slip pockets, 2 there and then 1 over here, and then a smaller one. versus the Tasha that it does have the zippered inside. So a few differences, both very, very beautiful bags. This one a little bit smaller than the Tasha, but I guess it just depends on your preference. But yeah, I'm gonna think about possibly letting this one go to see if someone else would like to carry it. Still has the tags. Like I said, y'all, I have not carried this purse. This is, let's see, it's kind of faded, but you can still see what it says. So we'll see if I post it or not. But that's it, y'all. This is another unboxing. Instead of blaming Suzwhat for this one, I'll actually thank her. Because if I was not snooping on eBay, I would not have located this one. And then actually a few weeks ago when I was looking for the Tasha and ended up finding this one on the ILD site, Mrs. P. Banks was helping me look as well, because I really wanted the Tasha. So shout out to Miss P. Banks for helping me look at that time as well. The search is over. And that's it. So I'm ready to move into the Tasha Drawstring bag and switch out, even though I just moved into another one. But we'll see. But thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will see you all in the next video. And it is still Drawstring July. So I'm looking forward to seeing a few more videos. We have a few more days left before the end of the month. But keep them coming. Like I said, I'm enjoying them, y'all. And it's fun to see everybody pulling out their drawstrings and how happy and excited they are to pick out their favorites. So that kind of shows you how much everyone admires the art and the silhouettes of the drawstring bag, whether it's by Dooney&Bourke, Patricia Nash, any other brands as well. They're just fun to look at and a good carry as well. So thanks again for watching, y'all, and have a wonderful day.